Hello, in this video, we will introduce class relationships. To design classes, you need to explore the relationships among classes. The common relationships among classes are association, aggregation, composition, and inheritance. The inheritance relationship will be introduced in the next chapter. In this chapter, we will focus on association, aggregation, and composition. What is association? Association is a general binary relationship that describes an activity between two classes. For example, here, student and course, the relationship between the two is the association. Student takes a course. And here, faculty, course, the relationship is association. Faculty teaches a course. This label here indicates the relationship, and the direction is from student to course. Student takes course, faculty teaches a course. The multiplicity is 5 to 60. So the course can have 5 to 60 students. And this asterisk means any number of courses. So student can take any number of courses. And this course is taught by one faculty, and faculty can teach from 0 to 3 courses. You can implement this relationship in Java. By adding the data fields and the methods here. So for the student takes courses. So all the courses are right here. And you can add a course to the student object. And this courses has students and one faculty. And you can have methods, add student and set faculty. And faculty has a list of the courses to teach, and you can have a method to add a course. Now let's look at aggregation and composition. Aggregation is a special form of association that represents an ownership relationship between two objects. Aggregation models has a relationship. So look here. Is student has a name, student has an address. So this is all the aggregation relationship. The owner object is called an aggregating object, and its class is called an aggregating class. The subject object is called an aggregated object, and its class is called an aggregated class. Composition is a special form of aggregation. Composition represents an exclusive ownership. In this case right here, student has a name. Without a student, there will be no name. So it is completely dependent on student. Name is dependent on student. And so this is the composition. We use this notation. It's a solid diamond and put on the student side. Student contains name. So this is the composition relationship. Without a student, there will be no name. And this is the student has address. It's an aggregation. So a student has address, but the address can exist without the student because there may some other students use the same address, share the same address. So now when you translate into this Java code, you have this name. And so this is right here, describe the name. And this is the student. Student contains name and it contains address. And this is the address. And this is the class for address. I want to mention that we don't differentiate aggregation and composition from now on, because when you translate them into Java code, they're translated exactly in the same way. So for simplicity, we call all of this is composition. That is all for this video. See you on the next video.